Hi everyone, today I will show you another fully funded scholarship from South Korea. It is the university name is Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. It is ranked number one in Korea, South Korea, and its QS ranking is 39. So it is one of the top university in the world, and you can see it is ranked number one. This is its QS ranking, and according to Times Higher Education ranking, its ranking is 110th. So these are the two most recognized ranking in the world you can look into. So here is the link. I will put the link in the description below. So online application will open between August 21st to September 18th, and then you have to submit your document till 25th September. And first you have to fill the online application form, then print and then attach the required documents, and you have to send hard copies to this address given, and so apply as early as possible. So these are the departments for which you can apply for MS or PhD. This scholarship is for MS and PhD. So natural science, life sciences, and bioengineering and engineering. There are a lot of engineering subjects, liberal arts and convergence, business. So these are different campuses. So there are its eligibility. You can check its eligibility. Who are eligible? So degree requirement for master, applicant hold bachelor degree, and for doctoral you need master degree as well. For citizenship requirement, applicant should not be Korean citizen, and he she should be international student. So before you apply, you need to check these things like application timeline. And so there are two semesters. One is spring semester and the other is fall semester. For spring semester the deadline is between August to September, and for fall semester early deadline is December to January, and regular deadline is March to April. So submit your supporting material, check your email, and review of application to be announced, and then a review of scholarship. Check your result on your application system. So for spring semester the result will be announced in early December, and for fall semester the result will be announced in early March, and for regular late June. So admission will begin for spring semester in the March, and for fall semester in the beginning of September. So apply. So if you click here, you will go to application system. Here you can apply. So first you have to create your account, then sign in, and then follow the steps, and then print out the online application form. I want to show you another thing, required application materials. So these are also important things to remember. So a copy of application form, statement of purpose, answering these questions what you studied at previous institutions. So you should answer in your statement of purpose these questions. And if you have any work experience or academic experience, then also describe it, and also write down a detailed and accurate statement of your purpose and objective in pursuing your study at KAIST. So statement of financial resources, self-support or parental sponsor. So you have to also fill this form. This form can be found in online application system. So two recommendation letter you also required, and degree and transcript, and English proficiency. For Pakistan, you English proficiency certificate can work, which you can obtain from your university, stating that your medium of instruction during bachelor was English. So they have written it that EPT exemption requirement. Applicants who are nationals of English native speaking countries or officially English speaking countries, example India, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Kenya, and etc., are exempted from submitting the EPT report. So an English lecture certificate is required for those who study in official language. So for these countries, and English, which I was talking earlier, that you need English proficiency certificate from your university. So CV, a copy of identity document, optional documents, and application fee. You have to pay application fee, which is $80. So this is something you have to do, but this is one of the top universities. So if you are really interested, you should check this out university. And for financial support, what kind of scholarship they have? CASE scholarship and JKS program and other programs. Main is CASE scholarship program for international students. So they will pay you full tuition fee and tuition exemption for 4 semester. For MS means 2 years. Living expenses they will pay for MS student 3,50,000 Korean currency, and for 4 lakh for PhD. Medical insurance, additional stipend can be available for research assistant. Requirement: to maintain your scholarship for next year, you must maintain GPA 2 out of 4.3 at CASE, and GPA can different for Seoul campus. And so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any question, please comment in the comment section below, and I will try to solve your problem. Please subscribe my channel for more fully funded scholarship and other videos. Thank you. Bye.